Let me show you how easy this is to use. And you're done. Today, I'm going to show you a new way to join conduit to couplings. Now, electrician will tell you, if you want to have a good firm joint between the PVC conduit and the fitting, first you need to use a primer. Then you have to use a cement. It's slow, it's messy, it's wasteful. How many times have you gone to open up your can of PVC cement and found that it's hardened shut? Now let me show you a new and different way to join PVC conduit to fittings. This is GoAerosol Spray Weld. It's self-contained, it's cleaner, primer, and cement all in one can. It's faster, it's easier to use, it's got low VOC, and because you can't spill it, it's a greener product to use. Simply spray the inside of the fitting. Put the same amount on the pipe. Push together, and you're done. Again, it's faster, it's easier, it's more efficient. You're going to save money, you're going to save time. It's got low VOC, it's a greener product, and it's made right here in the USA. So try GoAerosol Spray Weld for PVC conduit and fittings.